Hi guys, today we're going to have a look at some of Avenida Alfonso de Puchades. This is the avenue where I live. We have a mosque there. Doesn't really get used much. Traffic island there. Some rather weird monuments on it. Rather smelly drains there. Couple of shops. We've got a new florist there. Nice little florist shop. No thanks. Also got another florist over the road, a bigger one. It is ridiculously hot again today.
I think everyone's preparing for the final tomorrow.
Yep.
Lot of people with Spanish flags, lots of shopping bags full of drinks.
More mosque there.
This car don't sound healthy.
Yes, I have my partner in crime.
Hola!
BENIDORM
Crazy Marcus. Hola!
Are you hot?
Very hot.
This one's weird. This is a restaurant, but isn't actually open to the public. We believe it has something to do with restaurant Hong Kong down the road. So very strange. Got the Sabadell Bank there. This, I don't know whether it's a church. It says Iglesia Jesu Christu, so maybe an English church, I don't know. But then got a casino there. Got the Hotel Joya over the road. It's a nice hotel. Nice little terrace there, shaded terrace as well. Let me know how you're coping with this heat. It's about 36, 37 today, but with the humidity, it is feeling more like 40, 42 maybe. So it is very, very hot. So it is a swimming pool time maybe. Sorry about my brakes, they are drying out again in the heat. very good place to park your car. Unless, of course, you've broken down. Maybe. Got Polly Fanny and Map Free. Always want to call it Map Fire, but it's Map Free. Got Hippobur there. A little doggy waiting for its owner. And McDonald's. Oh, could you not just have one of them massive ice cold Cokes right now? Right. Does McDonald's do the refills though? No. Oh, forget it then. Burger King with the free refills just keep going up. Be there all day long, wouldn't you? Keep topping your cup up.
I don't even think Burger King does it anymore.
Oh. Mercadona over the road in the distance. Pharmacia, chemist closed now because it is Saturday afternoon. And hairdressers, bike shops, an apartment for rent up there. So we have got a friend looking for an apartment, so hopefully that's coming out on camera. Medico Fancy. Paleo, not sure what that is, or maybe an insurance place. And kind of a beauty place there. Got a little charcuterie. Laundrette. And of course some nice local little bars. Not open at the moment. We have got a barber shop there and hairdressers. I've never seen that open either. And a garage. And of course, got a private hospital there. And cash economy. So thanks for watching. Hit the like, hit share, hit subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.